The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.